Director of Tourism Department Cyril D. Dingdot released the book Mandatory Poison and Other Shillong Things, authored by Professor Bikika Lalu Tariang in the City. The book dwells on the intricacies of Shillong city life. Tariang is a teacher of the Department of Library and Information Science at Northeastern Hill University, Shillong. Meanwhile, a photo exhibition of pictures taken by Tariang was also inaugurated.
And yet when we read this book, many of the Shillong things in this book, we are all, we laugh and we smile and we know how honest it is because we can relate to that book. That is the beauty of this book, that you can relate to it as a reader.
It is a travel guide, and for people who haven't been to Shillong and who have been to Shillong also, this is purely a personal interpretation of things I have lived. I have lived these aspects in my life in Shillong, and it covers various aspects of Shillong.